Before installing the glass panes, carefully remove the beading and clean any dust from the frames and drainage holes before installing glass. It is vital that you don't mix the beads up, as they need to go back in the same position. The glass units will all be the same width unless there is a master traffic door, as in the case of this 3-pane door. The glass unit for a master traffic door is 6mm narrower so that it does not interfere with the door lock. It is vital to ensure that the narrow unit is fitted in the master traffic door. Starting with the first leaf, insert a glazing packer on the bridging packer that will come pre-fitted. Place the glass onto this packer. You will notice that there is a gap between the edge of the glass and the bridging packers. This is to enable you to insert glazing packers in the bottom corner of the hinge side and the top of the D handle side in order to secure the glass in place. This is the toe and heeling process, and when done correctly, it transfers the weight of the glass to the hinges and allows the top hinge to hold the sash in place. Please see our other video for further details on how to do this in more detail.